How to get Racing Master if it's not available in your country. So you've probably seen videos of this game pretty much everywhere from other creators. You've seen me post videos. If you're one of my subscribers, you've definitely seen it, and you're wondering, how can I get this game when it's showing up not available in my country? Well, today I'm gonna try to help you out with that, whether you are on your phone or you want to play the emulated version on PC. I'm gonna try to help you guys out as much as possible. So just before I show you guys the application that I use when it's not available in your country, you should probably double check the links from their official website and the store and the app store. Just double check from my description. I have the official Racing Master links in my description that you can check if it's available for you. Just double check before you go to any third party apps to get the game. So if you have done that and it's still not available for you, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys the application that I use, put up a recording, and also they'll give the emulator links in the description. Whether it's available in your country or not, if you got a laptop or a PC, it is gonna work for you once you get the emulated version. And I'll give you guys the one that I play on, which is the NA version or the global version they call it nowadays. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that and the application that I use on my phone. So let's go. I'm gonna put up a recording and just leave some gameplay in the background.